All right, let's jump into our warm-up for today. Really emphasizing that we're looking at using and applying a unit rate. I think most of y'all know how to solve a unit rate now, but now we need to start to expand that out. So just for our warm-up here, we're going to find the unit rate. So 7 movie tickets for $56. So for me, a more ideal unit rate in this, we've got tickets and price. I'd want to know my price per ticket. I could have done this unit rate the other way around. Put tickets on the top and then price on the bottom. But doesn't really matter, right? So anyways, let's put our right units in there. We're going to have $56 up here. We're going to have 7 below. We're going to turn this into a unit of 1. So you should know we took the 7 and we divided it by 7. So we're going to take 56 and divide that by 7. Okay, 56 divided by 7 is 8. So what does that tell us? Go back to our units. We've got dollars over tickets. So it tells us $8 for every ticket. So now we're going to look at 12 fluid ounces of shampoo for $2.76. So again, I'm going to try to figure out, I'm going to put my units, I'm going to find the price per ounces. So right now we know we've got 2.76 over 12 ounces. So we want this 12 ounce to turn into a 1. So we'd have to divide by 12. And the same thing we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So we're going to divide that by 12 to get our rate. We're going to have to do some long division here. So what we've got is 276 divided by 12. So we'll have 2.76 with 12 on the outside. So 12 does not go into 2, so we put a 0 there. 12 does go into 27 2 times. Sorry, I forgot I got a decimal there. I didn't bring that decimal up. Okay, so 12 goes into 27 2 times. 12 times 2 is 24. So 27 subtract 24 is the 3, and then bring down a 6. 12 goes into 36 3 times, and that's exactly 36. And 36 minus 36 is 0. So what do we find out? It's 0.23 dollars. In other words, 23 cents for every 1 ounce. Okay. Here, which is a better value? We got 2 books for $15 or 6 books for $45. We actually got to find the unit rate of each of these to be able to get the answer. So we're going to take 15 divided by 2, turn that into a unit rate. And if what we did to 2 to get to 1 is divide by 2, so we're going to take 15 and divide by 2. You're going to get 7.5. So this is $7.50. That's what the 7.5 is for every 1 book. So now we got to figure out what's the better deal. Well, we got to compare this one here. We've got $45 for every 6 books. So we're going to turn that 6 into 1 by dividing by 6. So up here, we're going to divide by 6. So 45 divided by 6. 45 divided by 6. Let's do some long division. How many 6s go into 4? 0. How many 6 go into 45? We're going to get, I believe it's 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Minus that out, we're going to get 3. So we're going to put a decimal in. We're going to bring a 0 down. 6 goes into 30. 5 times 6 times 5 is 30. So this one is 7.5 or $7.50 as well. So which one's a better deal? They're the same. They're both $7.50 for every book that you buy.